Good morning, everyone. It's Mark, and welcome back to another episode. Hey guys, I finally did it. I'm here in my garage / storage space, my inventory room, and I have some good news. In one of my old previous videos, I mentioned that I wanted to clear up that side of my space because I wanted to get storage units. Well, I'm getting the racks today. I'm driving out to Lowe's, and it's not a good day to do it because it's pouring out. That is actually not my backyard. That is our new neighbor. They're almost done with the construction of this new home here. I'd give it another month and it'll be done. But yes, the weather is bad to drive out and get my storage units because it's pouring. I'm gonna have to clear my trunk right now, clear out the whole car, bring everything inside the garage, and make space for those two storage units. And you can just imagine coming out of Lowe's with those two big units, trying to fit them in your trunk. And my car is not that big. It's the white one, the black one. I'm gonna leave it here. It's the white one. That's my business car. But guys, I'm finally doing it. See this? There's a lot of clutter going on. This right here, a few things there. I want to get another shelf rack right here for my tools. I got stuff laying around here. I want to keep this place very clean, well organized, just like I have over here with the numbers. But guys, this is it. I'm finally going to do it. Today is May 23rd, and it has to be done. One way or the other, it had to be done, and it's finally today. So that's gonna be my project for today. And then in the future, I want to start turning my my crawling space downstairs, because it's as long as the house, but I'm not fulfilling it to its potential. It's just dead space. So I want to use that too. All right, guys, I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Actually, I gotta go to the post office, drop off today's orders, then go to Lowe's. I already had purchased the units, just I gotta go pick it up. I bought it the night before. And then when I woke up in the morning, yesterday morning, it said that it was ready for pickup. But because I had other things to do, I just postponed it for Saturday. But it sucks because, like I said, it's raining. It's going to suck one day, and it's pouring. It's gonna suck when I step out of Lowe's with those two units, and I gotta put them in my trunk in the rain. Yes, it does suck. Guys, I'm here in front of my local post office, and I'm gonna drop off these orders and then start my day at Lowe's. All right, guys, I'm gonna catch you in a bit. So I finally got it. These are the Premier Edsal. That's what it was. Edsal. These are the heavy duty 48 by 24 and 72. This is my 5th unit. I'm gonna leave it at that because now I have space in my garage for one more thing, and it's look at this. This is the Christmas tree. All right, so these are my 5th ones, my last ones. I have space in my garage for a desk, and it's going to be my workstation. I'm planning on getting it in the next 2 weeks. But first, let me finish installing these. All right, guys, so phase one is complete. I purchased the units. Phase two is complete. I was able to remove all of the stuff under the table and on the top shelf, took it out. Now going on to phase three. Phase three is to remove the table, remove the legs, but I'm actually gonna keep the wooden table and I'm gonna use it as a shelf. You know why? Because if you look right above me, there's already a piece of plywood there that I'm using as a shelf for some of the products that are much larger, longer, wider, that can't not fit in these storage bins. So I'm gonna take the table here, this piece of wood, and start putting it on top and start using that as a shelf space too, because look, dead space all around me. So I might as well put it into use, right? I mean, I'm only getting bigger here. I'm going to make this garage my full storage inventory room, and once it's filled to capacity, I'm gonna start working with the crawl-in space. You guys have not seen the crawl-in space. I'm not gonna show it yet, but it's as large, it is as wide and long as the house. However, the only problem is it's not that tall, so I do have to slouch. What I'm planning on doing is that next year, if everything goes well, my wife and I, we're going to start a project on the home, front yard and backyard. We're planning on doing some big projects. So when we do those projects, when the company that we hire, I'm gonna have them work in my storage room. My crawling space. It's a very small door to get in. You pretty much have to crawl to get in. What I plan on doing is when we do this project for the whole house, I'm gonna have them do a walk-in to get into my storage space. I keep saying storage space. My crawl-in space. And then because the place is pretty much exactly what it is, just a crawl-in space, I want to clean it up, cover up, so there's no mildew, there's no mold, there's no, just more easy access to get in, because I'm gonna use that as my storage space as well. All right, guys, let me get to phase three. I gotta remove this table. All right, guys, finally, I was able to remove that table. It was a pain, but it's done. Now, what's next is I gotta sweep up all the remaining debris, the loose screws, any bug sprays, any bugs that are laying around, because they are dead bugs, and I'm assuming there's some live ones lurking around. So what I'm gonna do is give it a nice fresh coat of bug spray, and just to make sure that once I have my storage units there, there's no insects just lurking around or trying to get into the containers. All right, guys, I'll keep you posted. These are the 2 storage units. I have space right here for another one, but I'm planning on getting a workstation right here to keep my tools, but also I want to keep my packaging supplies, as in tape guns, bubble wrap, all that stuff. I'm gonna have a table here for it. Storage here. I'm also gonna have my laptop here. I work from the computer, but I also want to work here just so I don't have to keep going up and down. And it's gonna end up looking like that. Guys, I'm about to get another beer. I'm just so glad that this is over with. All I gotta do now is just clean up, organize it, and then I have the wood board over here. I'm gonna use these boards and I want to place them up in the on the roof here, so then I can store bigger stuff there. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave it here. It's about 6:23 in the evening. I'm just gonna clear up and then just finish up here. Guys, thank you for watching. And if you guys are interested in these type of storage units, this is it. Premier by Edsal, the heavy duty, and the ones that I'm using is the 48 by 24 by 72. All right, guys, thanks for watching.